Solana is doing amazing things. AI projects have also been running like crazy, and even some meme coins have been booming. Now, these things are going crazy. So let me ask you, is it a good time to buy Solana? Is it a good time to buy AI projects? Is it a good time to buy into these meme coins? Well, the answer is probably different than you want to hear. But the answer is yes and no, but absolutely mostly no. Now, Solana hit $7 at the bottom of the bear market. Let me show you this. This is when Solana was an amazing deal, and it actually doesn't show it right here. If we zoomed way in, we would see the candle wicks below this, but it did hit $7 the end of December 2022. It was an amazing buy then. It is up close to 30x already. So how much further can it even go? I can't say I know, but it is very unlikely that it will go up another 30x. Also, if you look at the chart, and let's look at the chart, see this massive green candle? That is a massive green candle. I don't chase green candles. Now, many watching this won't understand this at first, but experience in crypto, because you'll have experience, whether it's good experience or bad, by sticking around, will show you why it is generally a great principle to follow of not chasing green candles. Let's take a look over at Fetch AI and see if Fetch AI, well, is different. So with Fetch AI, where can AI projects go? And we'll use Fetch as like a general AI project, though there's multiples out there. Fetch AI is just a popular one. Well, where are AI projects going to go? I'm not sure. It is interesting, the combination happening between decentralized computing power and AI, because this will actually bring some actual utility to AI to the blockchain space. Because it will enable companies that don't have massive resources directly to participate in developing AI by being able to leverage computing power from others. So AI and blockchain gaming are probably going to be the two biggest narratives of this bull run. So I'm generally bullish on AI. In fact, very bullish. However, Fetch AI has already run up 50x from its lows. Like, let me show you this. It was way down here. So we generally hit the bottom of the market in December 2022. So you could have bought Fetch AI for actually there was a time period that it was under 5 cents. It went 60x to over $3 and has retraced some to $2.50. To look a little bit deeper, we want to go to Coin Market Cap, and we want to get a feel for what is the market cap. Okay, the market cap's already at $2.1 billion. Now, where could a project like this go in the bull run? Maybe 10 billion, 20 billion, unless, gosh, all previous bull runs are nothing compared to the bull run coming, and then maybe it does better. But what I always look at is what is the best opportunity moving forward for my money that I'm going to invest. And when I see these kind of massive green candles, I don't chase into them. I like to take profits at points like this, not buy into them. See, the great deals on Fetch AI were last year, like a year and a half ago, or even last year when you could have got it for 20 cents, but it's now 10x from that. And if you had bought this retracement here, you could have bought it at 56 cents. So at one point, just like a little bit ago, you were up 6x from there. Can it go another 6x from here? I don't know. But what I know is your risk is getting really high when you chase these kind of green candles. And I don't know how it's going to go from here. Your potential returns are much, much lower. And this leads to a trap that catches brand new people and even some experienced people every single time. It's almost like the most delicious cheese being used as bait. And that bait is on a mousetrap and it's sitting there. And it smells so good. It smells like social confirmation What is that? That means everybody's excited about Solana and AI projects and even meme coins. And so you get all this social confirmation that what you're doing is right. But remember, most people lose money in cryptocurrency investment. So if most people in the crypto space are super excited about it, should tell you to be very concerned, because that might be some delicious cheese with a big metal bar that is going to come slamming down with anyone with the cheese in their hands, and they will get decimated. Speaking of decimated, that brings us to meme coins. Now, we've all heard stories, and recently some meme coins shot up tremendously. There was one even this past week that got fast-tracked and listed on all these big exchanges within hours of going live, and now has an $800 million market cap. To me, what this sounds like is a strategic setup by some whales with good connections, and the founders that set up this scenario specifically to pump it, to get a lot of traction, to get it fast-tracked that fast on all these exchanges. They would have had to already been coordinating with the exchanges and have some connections there to do this. And so it's gone up tremendously and supposedly made these people rich. And when something like this happens, it gives all these brand new people hope that if they just throw their money into the next meme coin, that it will do this same thing. Well, recently there was a guy that put $130,000 on 20 different meme coins, and he's absolutely got shit on all those different meme coins. Why? Because the odds on meme coins are actually quite bad. Now, I will exclude Doge and Shiba Inu. Doge and Shiba Inu have enough traction that if you're going to take a meme coin bet and you bet on those, I still don't agree with that. But I understand what you're doing, because early in the bull cycle, or as new people come in, new money comes in, often it will roll into Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, because people can't understand a lot more of the technical things, like Solana confuses them. These other things confuse them. So sometimes they can just, on Robinhood or something that they're familiar with, buy one of the meme coins because it's fun and they can understand fun. So I'm not completely against Doge or Shiba Inu. I am completely against these new meme coin projects that launch and taking those kind of risks, because the odds are massively against you. Playing some new launching meme coin is like playing the lottery, but much worse odds for you than the lottery. I won't tell you not to do it. You're hopefully smart, soon to be a savvy crypto investor who takes odds in your favor and runs from situations where the odds are massively stacked against you. Because I don't know about you, I'm not here to gamble, and I'm especially not here to take odds that are worse than casino gambling. But you do you. I don't touch meme coins. Now, overall, we are starting phase 2 of the bull run. The bottom of the bull run was December, almost a year and a half ago now. Now, already, because the market has pumped some people are flush with some Bitcoin gains. Some are flush with some really big Solana gains. And some up on other projects. In fact, some up on their Doge or their Shiba Inu. And there's some general bullishness. Now, this week, we're retracing from last week's massive bullishness, and that's just normal even in a bull run. What we have ahead of us is likely going to be the craziest cycle in crypto history, and is going to make many of you filthy rich. Yet some of you will still lose massive money on meme coins, while others take smarter choices and outperform you. Now, I'm excited to see most of you continue to progress towards that goal of being a savvy crypto investor who knows how to say no to most projects and yes to the ones where timing and research show you that the odds are massively stacked in your favor. Now, I make all kinds of different videos. Every once in a while, I go into ones that I specifically like. Here's what I found. You don't have to be in every project out there. You're looking for, depending on how big your portfolio is, you're looking for a diversification across a number of them. I don't cover every week like top new altcoins this and top new altcoins, because what I take is long-term bets on projects that I like, and then I wait it out. So a lot of the projects that I liked from my video last week on 5 altcoins that I thought had really good potential, well, I still like those same 5 altcoins. So doing a new video and on all those, I do them every once in a while. Generally, what I'm sharing with you is the mindset and the approach and how to think about things. And some videos I do on how to research things. I go a lot more in depth on that in my course, Zero to Crypto Hero, which I teach you how to do the research, what you're looking for in the founders, what kind of things to think about with the tokenomics and the market caps, those kind of things that help you be a much better investor. Now, that's like the fast track. If you want to go the course route and do the fast track, you will get better faster. You just will. The investment in yourself is more than worth it. And you get much better faster, and it will save you and make you a lot more money, but you don't have to do the course. You can just watch my free videos. I do take an approach that's different than all the other YouTube channels out there because I'm not a YouTube influencer. I'm a crypto investor who's made millions of dollars doing this myself. And I started this YouTube channel in the end of 2020 with a commitment that I would share with you the choices that I'm making, why I'm making them, and that together, if we got the channel big enough, I would bring on crypto projects, the ones I like particularly, and have interviews with the founders. So we all could hear from those founders and get information directly from them so that we can make better informed choices on if we like them at all or not. And that's come to fruition. Thank you for watching this. Look forward to seeing what happens for you over this coming year. It's going to be an exciting year, and most of you are going to do very well with this. See you soon.